What if I told you you can now build an online business or a startup and start making money online in the next 10 minutes? And no, I am not joking.
Today I'm using Replit's amazing update to integrate Stripe payments directly. I'll show you how to turn a simple idea into a money-making SaaS app or digital store in minutes. No messy dashboards, no complicated payment flows, and no coding. I've spent years dealing with complex payment systems, but this update changes everything. You can launch your business today. Let's get started. All right, so what you're looking at right now is Replit. If this is your first time here, it's super simple. Just click the link in the description below, head over to replit.com and sign up for a new account. Once you log in, this is the interface you'll see, and honestly, this is where all the magic happens. Now the main goal of today's video is showing you how to add payments to your app with literally one click. Because let's be real, if you've ever tried building an app before, you already know that one of the biggest pain points is setting up payments. Whether it's subscriptions or one-time purchases, integrating Stripe is usually a complete headache. And that's exactly the problem Replit is solving. So in this video, I'm going to build a simple app from scratch. And more importantly, I'll show you how to add subscription payments to it in a single click, step by step. Alright guys, so check this out. I'm in build mode right now, and honestly, all I need to do is tell Replit what kind of app I want to create. And the coolest part? I can also specify that I want subscription payments with Stripe, and the AI handles the rest automatically. For this example, let's say I want to build a professional AI-powered image generation web app. So I type in my prompt. I want to create an AI-powered image generation web app called VisionCraft AI, where users can type a prompt and generate images using Gemini. I want to add subscription payments with 3 plans: Starter at $7 per month, Creator at $19 per month, and Premium $25 per month. The app should have subscription gating to block premium features for non-subscribers. All UI components, styling, and color scheme should look professional and polished, with responsive design and dark/light mode toggle. And now I can click on the Start Chat option right here. Just like that, I've given a detailed prompt. And because Replit already has Gemini integrated, I don't even need a separate API key. Here's the thing. Normally, integrating Stripe is such a nightmare. You'd have to go through tons of documentation, get your API keys, handle the publishable and secret keys, and write a lot of code. It's messy, right? But with this setup, we literally don't have to do any of that. We just tell the AI what we need, and Replit takes care of everything. And check this out. It even confirms. I'll help you create an AI-powered image generation app with Gemini, subscription gating, and professional UI. How awesome is that? Alright, so check this out. It literally says, perfect. I found integrations for both Gemini and Stripe. This part is honestly what I was most excited about. We can connect to Stripe, start a sandbox to test payments, create products, and even run test transactions, all directly from Replit. I mean, how awesome is that? The AI has created a full, comprehensive plan for our AI-powered image generation website with subscription payments. The AI generated a really detailed plan for our app. Now we have 2 options. We can either build the entire app from scratch, or we can start with the design, create a prototype, and then add features step by step. For this video, I want the AI agent to build the whole app from scratch, so I'll select the first option and click Start Building. Let's do this. And just like that, Replit has already started working on our app. Remember, we set up 3 plans. Starter at $7 per month with a limited number of images. Creator at $19 per month with 250 images. And Premium at $25 per month with unlimited HD images. Since the AI is building the entire app from scratch, it's going to take a little time to put everything together. I'm going to let the AI do its thing and check back once it's done. Alright, here we go. The initial version of VisionCraft AI is ready. Let me open it in a new tab. Wow. Honestly, it looks way better than I expected. The design is super sleek and professional. We've got grids, a clean header that says, transform your ideas into stunning visuals, buttons, feature sections, and the pricing tables exactly as we set them up. Starter $7 per month, Creator $19 per month, Premium $25 per month. There are even placeholders for the footer, and everything looks neat and polished. And check this out. We've got a dark/light mode toggle right here. Such a nice touch. Everything is coming together beautifully, from the user interface to the subscription options, and it all looks professional and ready for users. Alright, here we have the sign in button, and when I click on it, instead of going directly to the dashboard, it opens the Replit authentication and authorization screen. At this point, Replit asks me to allow the application to access my Replit account. This confirms that our application now has a proper and fully integrated authentication system. Users don't need to create a separate username or password, as they are securely signed in using their Replit account. All I have to do here is click the Allow button. Once I approve the permissions, I'm automatically signed in and redirected back to the application dashboard. From there, only authenticated users can access the app, generate images, view the gallery, and manage their subscription plans. And as you can see, here's the dashboard. We've got a prompt area where I can type in what I want, and then just hit Generate Image. We also have a gallery section to view our creations, and a Manage Subscription option. Next, let's try generating a brand new image. Let's say a tiny kitten playing in a room. I'll hit Generate, and it shows, Creating your masterpiece. Let's wait a second, and there we go. The image generation feature works perfectly. So yeah, everything is running super smoothly. Dashboard, image generation, subscription management, everything is working just as expected. Alright, as you can see, the core features of the app are working perfectly. But the main thing we want to focus on here is the subscription system, making sure that everything works exactly as it should. If we go to the subscription section, you can see all the available plans right here: Starter, Creator, and Premium. Each plan has its own subscribe button, and our goal is simply to make sure that all the buttons are working correctly. Now, let's focus on the Creator plan. As you can see on the screen, the details are very clear. This plan gives you 250 image generations per day for $19 per month. Everything is easy to understand, with no hidden details. Next, let's hit subscribe. Alright, moment of truth. Perfect. Right away, on the same page, we get the confirmation message: subscription activated. This means the plan has been successfully applied. Now that the Creator plan is active, you'll notice that the generation limits have been updated correctly, the next billing date is displayed, and there is also a Cancel Subscription button. With a single click, you can cancel the subscription anytime, no hassle at all. To make sure everything is consistent, we can also test another plan. When we switch to the Premium plan, we see exactly the same behavior. The subscription activates properly, the plan limits update, the billing date is shown, and the Cancel button is available. So at this point, we've confirmed that the subscribe buttons work for all plans, plan details are clearly displayed, billing information is visible, and subscriptions can be managed or canceled instantly. So if you've got an app idea and you really want to turn it into reality using AI, all you have to do is quickly click the link in the description, head over to replit.com, create your free account today, and start learning easily, sign up for a new account, and you can start using the same system right away. And that's basically everything I wanted to show you in today's video. I truly hope you found it super helpful, exciting, and inspiring for your projects. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, share it with friends, and I'll see you in the next one.